Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Trading Twilight and I'm Ankita Agnihotri and we have Monday today. So on Monday, market is taking support and it is making a lower wick from the downside, which is also indicating that buyers are very much interested at here, or maybe institutional buying is continuously going on. So after like 3 4 5 days sailing we have seen, so one bounce is still pending, so I'm hoping for that, and 80% probability it will be going to took support from here, and it has already took support in the morning. Only one scalp we have done in the buy side. So both Nifty and Bank Nifty on a 51 retracement level, so this is a good support where you can plan above this 51 retracement level for the upside. And firstly 25,000 itself, it's a good resistance, so you need to book your profit accordingly. And when it's going to give a breakout of 25,000, so you can trail your position. And in Bank Nifty itself, this 56 300 area, we have a huge put writing at here, so I don't think it will be going to give a fall below this level. Till then it's above the support and day low above, so it's not in the sailing zone, it's a buy on dip market. So try to make longs at here, and we will be continuously looking for a sailing side. So maybe one bounce and still it's going to be like reject from the resistance, then only we are trying to make shorts. Otherwise this is a kind of market where you need to plan for the upside only and try to make longs, so that we will be going to book our profit according in this sailing market. In the profit booking, it's very important, like you have to book your profit and like 50% quantity on the resistance, and where you will be find yourself that it is going for a good support and you having a decent profit, so you need to book your profit. Don't like trail your position in this kind of market, otherwise you will be going to convert your profit into loss. So don't do that. And this is like 24,800 and 750 50 point range is good support for Nifty, and this 300 and 350 area, it's good for Bank Nifty. So in this way you need to go for upside. It's my analysis, and this is a disclaimer, all contents are for education purpose. So if you are making any buy and sale as per my recommendation, so consult to your financial advisor first. So try to make longs. This is a perfect like a price action, it's bullish today, it's not bearish, so I'm not making short in this kind of market. I will be looking for only buy on dip. So it's giving any dip towards the support, so I will definitely looking for a buy. And one scalp we have done in the morning in my channel only, and now I am again looking for a buy, and I have initiated a buy above 800 level. So look you forward like how much it will be going to give you in the positional basis, because 25,000 itself, it's a good resistance. So before that you need to book your profit. And in Bank Nifty as well, we can see a like 1,000 point recovery. This would be very likely to happen in Bank Nifty as well, because these are extreme support, and I don't think market is bearish. Market is some kind of at a way where it's ready to took a support, and for a bounce, big bounce, it needs to go for the supports, which is very good for the for our market, that it is going to the support and taking support and institutional buying. I think the price action is saying that it's going on. So be like smart money is playing in the upside, and like the professionals are going for the upside. So you need to look for buy on dip. This is my like strategy and mantra for Monday. So Monday, I think something gonna be big for the like last two previous days. So we can see a more recovery and more targets are open on the upside. So go for a like buy on dip, and all banks are maybe like completely at a point where they are taking support. So maybe the recovery we are looking for, so Bank Nifty is the best candidate to give a reward, big reward. So you can make position Bank Nifty in the like futures and positional basis, and in Nifty in an intraday you can play and try out and make your positions and book your profit. And this is the like Sensex, where you can plan the buy side. So maybe we have expiry on like by tomorrow itself, so big reward is awaiting in Sensex as well. So This is my personal analysis and price action that you need to try to find, like today, a buy on dip strategy, and wherever it's going to took support, so you need to make long positions, and it's taking rejection, so try to skip for that, because we are not here to like play every move. Where you are trying to make like play every move, so you will be going to like maybe trap in this particular support and resistance. So what's like beginners used to do, they used to like play in the one side, and again in the second side they are trying to make their position. You need to don't do that.